good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone connecting from different parts of the world. All right, so you're welcome to our weekly market review. All right, so it's the second day of the new month, June. All right, so a very, very important month of the year, which is an opportunity for those of us who are smart and wise to be able to make lots of money from the financial market. All right, so at the middle of the year, it's much more. Um, how will I put it now? It's it's kind of most of the analysis are going to go through as long as you have a working strategy in the middle of the year. So it's an advantage for everyone who has learned Forex the right way and be following FX media, market review, and so on and so forth. So by the special grace of God, we are not going to be wasting so much time today. I'm just coming from an important class, all right? So to have a review. I have some amazing pairs that we're going to be making money from this week, in which one of them I've already dropped a long term signal on the trade. That is on the funded traders group. I drop a signal on it. All right, so we're going to be looking into it's the reason why it got to hit our SL and the reason why it has started going, it has started moving according to analysis. So we're going to be looking at that. Those of you that saw this loss that actually posted, I think on Friday or Thursday, can relate to what I'm talking about. All right. So I don't know why we're having less people connecting to this live. I don't know what's going on. But anyway, um, it's their own cup of Gary. All right. So those of us that are connected should pay undivided attention. All right. So lovely Ella said newbie here. So if you're a newbie, welcome to the platform. Okay, whichever part you're connecting from, whether you're getting to see FX Media for the first time or you've been hearing about FX Media. All right, so you're welcome to this live. So this live is a combination of expert traders, professional traders, intermediate traders, beginner traders, and different categories of traders. All right. So, but basically, what we do is we try as much as possible to communicate to everyone in the way they can understand. But we understand that the people who are in the category of the beginners level, all right, so may not actually comprehend what we are actually dealing with and what we're analyzing. But I just want you to be in the circle of traders. Remember, I always say this that if you're in the circle of if you are in the circle of 5 billionaires, you end up becoming the 6 billionaire. If you are in the circle of 6 millionaires, you end up becoming the seventh millionaire. All right, so that is the way it works. So now we are in the circle of forex traders, expert traders, profitable traders. All right, so one way or the other, the rub off is going to happen to you. Okay, so ensure you pay attention and listen. Even if you don't understand, no problem about that. Just listen. What you just need to do is to go through the right route and follow FX Media in the right direction. Okay, so get structured and a solid forex knowledge for yourself, because you know they said forex trading is risky, but trust me, what is risky is when you go into a business that you don't have a sound knowledge about. That is what's risky, because you're going to waste your time, waste your effort, waste your money on it. But if you go into a business that you are actually have a knowledge about, there is a high tendency that you are going to, you have an advantage anyway that's going to help you in growing such a business. All right. So trading too is not exempted from it. So everything you do in life is risky. Even life is a risk. So trading involves risk, true. But what we do, the reason why we learn the right way is that so we can take calculated what risks. Now you can see one of the quotes I have in my office at the top right. They said, "Not taking calculated risks is what's risky." All right. So if you don't calculate your risks, what happens to you? You face the consequences anyway. So it's very important that you take calculated risks. Okay. All right. Okay. Yeah, we're going to continue with the class ASAP. Okay, so I'm going to be taking some questions. Okay, one or two questions from reasonable question anyway from the discussion channel. Like I said, I'm not going to spend so much time. I think I'll time myself. I should be out of here before 10:15. Time myself. Very important. I have some other amazing stuff to do. All right. So lastly, if you've not gotten the 10 trade account, ensure you get an account for yourself. Use FS Media link on our website www.fsmediatrade.com. Let's go to our website. Scroll down. You are going to see um, 10 trade. Under 10 trade, you see join now. Click on join now. Then as you click on join now, you register, verify with your NIN and proof of address. Okay. So if you're in another part of the country, another part of the world, actually, you can still, you know what NIN is, your ID card. Actually, you can maybe or your international passport or voter's card or something. Use it to verify your account. Then you fund your account. Either you want to fund trade the traditional way, you want to get a proper account, fine. But remember that we have the funded traders group where we give out VIP signals. All right. So the reason why I use FS Media promo code and FS Media link is because you get access to a VIP class, a VIP signal room that you're supposed to be subscribing for every month, but you're getting it for free. So that's more reasons why you should use FS Media's link or promo code to register your 10 trade account. All right. So welcome to this live once and again. Okay, so whatever category that you are trading, whether you're facing psychological issues or one issue or the other, always remember what I said, that you try as much as possible to find out your challenge in trading and find a way to fix it. But you want to go through the right route, ensure that you have a structured learning. All right. And you said, but are you going to are you going are you going to do a review on synthetic indices market? No, no, sir. We're not going to do that. We're doing Forex major right here. All right. If there's a need for that one, I don't know any. I don't know about the plans for that one currently. But we are focusing on Forex major. Before you delve into synthetic indices, always remember that your Forex major is the foundation. The secondary level, the primary level comprises of everything about Forex. Okay, so synthetic indices are an extension of it. But if you're starting out with synthetic indices, you are going to struggle. You have issues. You will have issues. Okay. All right. So let's go. We are starting out with the first pair. Okai has already typed it on the chat room, which is CAD JPY. This guy actually didn't go our way. So let's go and look into that CAD JPY again. We gave the signal that we gave had TP8. It had what? TP8. That's super amazing. So we are going to be looking into the reason why it didn't end up going our direction. But I mean, the reason why it has surplus, but it's going to go our direction. It's definitely going to go our direction. I've already seen the future from a higher time frame, and I'm going to be trading it this week. So I'm explaining to you guys where I'm going to be making money from, and I want you guys to make money as well. It's much more advantage when you are in the funded traders group, so you know when to enter. All right, you know when to enter for your trade. So all right, so we were we were buying from here, from this place, and all of a sudden market, sorry, it's not from the risk, started buying from here. All of a sudden market changed direction. I came to tap on this zone, came to tap here, the support zone, formed a W and start going up back. Now it doesn't mean that our analysis was wrong for it to hit our SL. It doesn't mean. It's just a clear manipulation right there, a clear manipulation to sweep away buyers, but it's still going to go our direction. All right, so that's why it's important that you put in your proper risk management, put in your SL. Okay, get stopped out. A market shows itself that okay, still going to go your direction. You take in your trade. I didn't proceed further because I was busy. Assuming I still came back to the market. I saw it at this position. I know that I was still going to buy. I would have called out the trade, but nevertheless, the market is still going to buy. So let's do our analysis on CAD JPY. We are still looking out for CAD JPY to buy. So let's analyze it ASAP all together. All right, with the strategy of top-down analysis, as we can see, the CAD JPY is on an uptrend, and we are looking for just an opportunity to do what um, to buy. Only opportunities to buy and not to sell. Buying opportunities. All right. So our target is this place. I was explaining to one of my G's that is in UK the reason why this market will buy. That's a very deep secret. I'm not sharing that secret here. All right, but I'm just saying it's going to buy. Okay. So now let's go. An uptrend. So let's go. We have a resistance here. They already got broken, which is our confirmation. I'm coming. So after registering, can I start with a demo account? Sure, you are practicing with a demo account before you start trading a real account. Never forget that. So I hear that Perfume doesn't work. Is it true? That's a lie. We use FX, we use 10 trade broker. Okay, that's what we use. 10 trade broker. So 10 trade is a broker that offers the Perfume service. All right. Okay, and Perfume service has enabled a lot of people to break out from financial issues. All right. If you try to get a pop account using FS Radar promo code FS Radar 28. All right. And then what else again? I also told you guys that don't store your profits in your prop account. If you make profit, you withdraw fund your real account. Your main target is your your traditional accounts. Okay, your normal accounts. That's your main target. You grow your equity as a forex trader. You're focused on what you're an investor actually, so you are focused on growing your equity because the more equity you have, the more profits you are likely going to be targeting and are likely going to make. All right, so it's going to give you but something that you can make like $100 using 10 pips or 1,000 using 10 pips. Somebody with $50 account can't make such a amount of money with 10 pips except he's planning to flip. And flipping, it only belongs to people that effectively flip are people who are bigger than that particular account they want to flip. If you are not bigger than a particular account that you want to flip, you only flip yourself inside gutter, and that's what's going to happen. So you'll be psychologically attached to that account. People that flips effectively, like I said, are people who are bigger than that account. I can easily flip $100. Why? Because I'm bigger than it. I can easily flip a $500 because I'm bigger than it. The $1,000 I can flip it is as bigger than it. Or you know your category. Once upon a time, I was not bigger than $50. I was not bigger than $20. I was not bigger than $100. But it's good step by step. So as we make profit, we store profit. We take out some. Example, we make out 1,000. You make $1,000 on your trade. That's profit. What you do as an investor, you divide it into two, or you divide it 70-30. You know, the 50 for withdrawal, 50 added to your capital to grow your equity, or 70 added to your capital to grow your equity, 30% withdraw, or in some cases, you could be that you didn't withdraw anything at all. But no matter what, try to withdraw something anyway, even if no matter how little, but still focus on growing your equity. Okay, so I'm giving you guys just a tip on that. Okay, so let's go down to a 1 hour time frame based on the top down analysis we are dealing with. Okay, so you can see the reason why the market reversed. Two occasions that made the market to reverse. From where? You know, I told you guys that we took our trade from here as a result of markets breaking out of this support, right? That's a clear confirmation for you to buy. But the market didn't buy. It came down to this place, but it couldn't break this support zone. Then what gave it more confirmation to align? Your trend line. I told you guys that when market aligns itself at the apex, at market align itself and you are having support, horizontal support, and your trend line support, they converge at a spot. Trust me, market is going to react massively, and that is what happened right here, because market came to the to where this support is currently at, and I saw your trend line. This is a zone, so that is why it gave us a W right here. And what happened? Shut up. It went up, it boosted to the top. I didn't check the market again because I was busy, so I couldn't take the trade. All right, so we missed this buy, but we're not going to miss the next buy. Okay, so that is the reason why the market now has got into this place. Okay, so as it came up to this place, market came down for a retest. Then what kind of a candlestick formed? A bullish, a super bullish, not just an ordinary bullish from here. So this candlestick confirmation, come on, it's an explosion already. All right, so now let's proceed. We'll go to 30 minutes time frame. We have a breakout here. Yeah, a breakout here. All right, so this is a good confirmation. Breakout here, another breakout. Okay, so where are we taking our entries from? We are taking our entries from the lower time frame. Ola is asking, sir, please, with 10 trade accounts, are we likely to withdraw weekly or monthly? You withdraw bilaterally, so you withdraw every 15 days. Okay, please come again with your promo code FX Media 28. Let me type it on the screen. In a small letter. Hope you can see it too. I'm looking for a way to zoom it too. FX Media 28. This is it right here. So it's small letter. All right, back to what we're doing. 30 minutes time frame. Okay, over to 15 minutes. So we get our entries from where our 15 minutes and 30 minutes time frame. Okay, since we have this breakout right here, now there's a demand right here, which is this guy here, a demand zone. A demand zone. As we have market take out from here, there are two places market is likely going to pick up from. Okay, now I'll show you where market is likely going to pick up from, the areas we are watching out for to take our buy, our continuation for buy. Okay, so we are looking out for this first place, 1, and second place, 2. Okay, let me put it right there. This entire, okay, let me put the box so we can know. This box right here, as you can see, is a zone for our what entry. Sorry. Is a zone for our entry. That's one place. Okay. Another place for entry is the second place. That's another entry. So from this place where we have this line, this psychological level right here, this blue line. Now Market is going to open. Okay, which is 10 already. Market has already opened. So before dawn, we'll get to know the kind of candlestick that formed here. So we're looking out for here. Pay close attention. We're looking out here, looking out here, looking out here. So whichever place we are, these are the places we are looking for opportunities to buy, no matter the sell that happens. All right, no matter the sell that happens, the market is going to buy. So since we've had, let's go to higher time frame to complete our target profit. Okay, we had TP8. Ha ha ha. TP8 on this trade. It shock you. So this one is a giveaway for everybody. Enjoy. All right. So this is where our target. So that's 236.4 pips. That is what we are looking out for. Okay. All right. What question do we have here? So is it when you fund your account before you get instant for the account? Yes. Now I've explained this. There are videos already on our YouTube channel. Go there and watch it. I've already explained how to deposit, how to pass your 10 trade account. Go to our YouTube channel, has information there. Just go through the videos. All right, so can I use both to trade a funded account on 10 trade? Yes, you can use, but not high frequency boats. High frequency boats are boats that runs like they swear for them. The people that are picking trade anyhow. So that high frequency one, is not allowed. And please, if you are trying boats, I'll tell you the reality as my experience in trading. See boats, the authentic boats that you find out there are not cheap. So if you are buying a boat for one kind cheap money, trust me, the boat will not work. Don't be surprised. You make money only for you to lose it later. I've told you. All right. So how much you use to buy prop firm account? I've said this thing. All these questions that regards prop firm account is on our YouTube channel already. You are here streaming, so the videos are there waiting for you. So go there and watch those videos. Okay, how to deposit is there, how to pass your 10 trade account. I explain everything you need to know about everything you need to know about your pop account. All right, as a second place for a good reward. Okay, which reward? So which app should I download to start to trade? I don't know where you're coming from. Okay, so if you are new right here, you should download your MetaTrader. MetaTrader 5. That's what we use. There is 4, but use 5 is what we use, and that's where 10 Trade Broker is. 10 Trade Broker is not MetaTrader 4. All right, so do it on MetaTrader 5. If you want to start trading, please ensure you're having a sound knowledge. Except you have money to lose, you learn the hard way. Like how very that man said, you learn the hard way. They will learn. Okay, so what other questions or something do we have here? Samoko does it come? Since it does it come, Samoko. All right. Sir, please teach us how to trade fundamental. I've been teaching this since most of the life. We will still visit our fundamental now because always remember that our fundamentals also form the basis for our technical. So as we've done an analysis, we'll go and check the technicals ASAP. There are 2 to 3 ways of using fundamentals to trade, which I'm going to explain to you guys now. Okay. And let me see if there's any other question here. So say don't forget the class training. Those of you that we've not had the live class, relax. We are resuming everything today. Sorry, from tomorrow. All right. So just relax. How can I join your academy? Please send us a message for you to join the academy. Send me a message on Instagram, on Facebook. Send me on Instagram actually. Don't send me on Facebook. Send me on Instagram. David Dumoye 28 or FX Media 28, whichever account you're going to get to me. All right. So is it possible to trade combining 2 strategies? Yeah, possible as long as the strategy is working well. Okay, but sir, what are people using another broker? You're on your own. Oh, you can't join my signal room. I've already told you it's very easy to comprehend. If you don't use this, you can't be there. Which one is what of people that when I say okay, this classroom, if you are drinking Bonvita, enter this classroom. That is it. If somebody will now say, sir, I'm drinking Milo. What about us that are drinking Milo? Are you sure you're fine? I said Bonvita. So that's the same thing to somebody is asking right here. Said you're using 10 trade broker. It is what gives you access when you use FS Media promo code. It's what gives you access inside the funded traders. But you're not asking me what of those people using or another broker. No, go and drink Gary now. Go and drink Gary since you're asking such a question. So these are very funny. All right, so it's very easy to comprehend. There are questions that we don't need to be asking. You're supposed to know. Very simple things. Okay. My case say, how does prop firm pay out? I've explained, go to our YouTube channel. How to place order is still difficult to you. Because I sent a message on WhatsApp, but you haven't replied me to you. I bought the instant account using your FX media promo code. Okay, cool. You send your message again. So after this live call, I'll tell you. If you have any pending messages, like I always do on live, once you're connected to this live, you have pending messages I've not attended to. Once we are done with the live call, resend the message so that I can pop up and I'll see quickly, attend to you. I told some, we had a Facebook live on Friday. I don't know why you guys did not attend. Some of you did not. I know most of you did not attend, and that's not so cool. We had a very interesting section, and by the grace of God, if I'm around on Fridays, we are going to be doing it. One of the important topics that we're looking at over time, even though some other things will still come in, is what your challenges in trading. What has been your challenge that you are facing in trading? You ask your questions and attend to it. There's one that will show you some things on chat and show you. Okay, so make out time for Facebook live on Fridays. Okay, I'm not saying every Friday, but if there's going to be one on Friday, I'm going to notify you guys a day before that day or 2 days before that day. So ensure that it's for your own good. I said one of the major topics you are facing in that Facebook live is your trading challenge. All right, your trading challenge. So we still talk about all that things as well, but gradually some other things will be coming up. Be Black said, boss, share that secret now, please. How come it was bullish after that bearish at the top? It's not a secret matter. I said it's in a manipulation that took place. There is no reason why the market should go bearish. There's no reason at all. It has broken, it has broken. Nothing is holding it on the historical part. Nothing. So it's a clear manipulation. That is why I said on every trade, you are to put your risk to reward right here. Okay. So that in case of manipulations, trade just you know that you're losing small. All right. So if there's an entry again, you re-enter. You understand? So I've explained to you. If it is something that we made a mistake, I tell you. Most of you that have been following the live already knows. I told you when I make a mistake, I tell you guys, okay, this is what the mistake we had. But in this case, we didn't make any mistake. It's a manipulation. I've told you guys, okay, look at this. It broke out. We had the confirmation candlestick. We took our trade, but market decided to come. Nothing. And look at the historical part. Come on, there is nothing that make it to actually go down. All right, so let's go. Ose said I was there and it was super amazing. Thank you so much for that. If I don't understand, I'll still DM. Okay, let's go. Back to the chat. Okay, I think Samuel, they say don't drop. All right, market is open. Look at it. This is where the first candle display. For market to open here, trust me, market is going to buy. But in as one is going to buy, please don't raise all your egg in one basket. Don't be me get Forex market. I never said it's my father that owns CAD JPY. I never said that one. Always apply proper risk management. In as much as I say market is going to what? Buy. If you have a very good account, by now, even if you don't even need to wait, just buy it like that. But what helps you in trading is sticking to your rules and discipline, and that is why if you notice I always say I wait for market to settle. I wait for market to settle at the opening of Sunday market. Then I take my trade with last confirmation is candlestick. All right, so no candlestick is giving me a clear confirmation right now. So that's you being disciplined to your trading plan, your trading strategy, because a lot of people can create trading plans, create trading strategies, but they are not disciplined to it, and that's crazy. That's why you find people write yearly goals after they have cried Ekueme in the 31st night. You are the living God. Now this year 2024 is my year of Benz, is my year of car, is my year of house, is my year of this, is my year of that. Blah 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 blah. The most influential for that you've cried yes. Okay, this year in January you have written down these outlines, and by January you're already following up. February you're following up. March you start to drag small. April before you know it, December has come. Did you achieve anything? No, your bank account is still zero. You are not proud of your account balance. You repeat the same process again. And that's crazy. Why? What is the cause of that? Because of discipline is not applied to that thing you have written down, that goal, that plans you have written down. You need to be disciplined. Sacrifices are very, very important in whatever thing you want to achieve. All right. So I was telling one of my friends that, okay, see, this month of June, I'm going to have a lot of sleepless nights because I have something that I'm targeting. I'm going to sacrifice a whole lot in this month of June. There's something I want to get before the end of this one, and it's going to happen because right now I'm going to apply discipline to it. Okay, so that is my own personal stuff that I'm chasing. Okay, so whenever you make a plan, be disciplined to what it. Okay, so that is that on CDA JPY. So the second one we are looking out for right now is coming. NZD. All right. So NZD has an interesting setup. Someone's asking, where do I analyze from? Analyze from higher time frame. I have told you. And okay, the higher time frame, is it weekly or daily? You go to daily, you go to weekly. It does depends on the structure. All right. So let's go to daily. All right. So first of all, what do? We identify the trend of the market. All right. So NZD JPY, NZD CAD. So we identify the trend ASAP. This is a downtrend, but let's look at. I think the trend is changing direction already. Okay. All right. So person that is part in drawing trend line, but they know they make money error, but they brag with demo account on their status. That's crazy. Okay, so we have a downtrend that is not yet clear. It's still dancing a willow locumba. All right, so this is where it's currently at, right here. Okay, so there's no clear direction for a buy momentum. All right, so because right here, look at what we have overall. I don't trade this pair like that. Okay, I don't trade it like that. That I don't really see. Um, I don't see a future for it. It's just an opportunity to take one or two trades. Okay, so this is still on a downtrend. There's no confirmation for buy, but there's we can take advantage of an opportunity that I spotted there. Okay, so what is that opportunity? We have a strong resistance zone here. We have a strong resistance zone. Which market touch here one, touch here multiple times, touch here. Then now it's currently here. Repetition. What's going to happen? Fine and good. We have a W right here that broke out of the neckline and got to this point. Okay, but we have a strong resistance in which what kind of candlestick are forming in this zone? That's what our interest. So we zoom out and view them. Okay, we have bearish candle, bearish. bearish are common. Okay, so let's draw. We have a trend here, a trend line here. Okay, cool. Yeah, over to 1 hour. If you have been following FS Media for a couple of months now, you're not yet profitable. If one thing, if you have not gone through a structure of learning from FS Media the right way, you are doing mago. You are feeling like only the YouTube life will help you. You're on your own. No. I've told you guys, you want to make it easier for yourself, go through the right structure, enroll in the academy, and learn Forex the right way. So you come on life. Life is to add more knowledge to your own, Okay, this is the life that's also produced amazing Forex millionaires. The ones you guys are already aware of. The recent guy, 20 years old guy that made 58 million naira in Forex. 20 years, we still writing one year. Is that not crazy? How many jobs is he going to work that is going to pay 58 million naira? But that's Forex. Paid him. I showed you guys the evidence. You know, say I know there's nothing I don't show without evidence. Evidence is always the normal. Okay. All right. So we have a trend line here that was broken, but is in this zone. Okay. All right. So what is the opportunity that we're looking out for? Market rejected here. Now back to something I skipped, which is this. I told you guys something that when you have every time frame aligned to to an area of a higher time frame area of value, market tends to react massively. Never forget that principle and that strategy. He said when you have every time frame aligns with a higher time frame area of value, market tends to react massively. All right. So what is the area of value? Area of values are support and resistance and your trend lines. That's the areas of value or breakout. This is basically support and resistance and trend lines. Those are your areas of value. And in this text, what is the area of value we're talking about? Let's go back to the higher time frame. 4 hours time frame. Let's go. Now, what is that here? This is it. The resistance up here. I'll go to the one so that we can see what I'm talking about. The resistance I drew earlier, this guy. This is the area of value of the one. And any market that gets there, any time frame that gets there, it tends to react massively. Okay. So that is it. That's what I'm talking about. Now, if you go to any time frame, 4 hours, e dey there, e dey. We don't see it with our eyes. 1 hour, e dey there, e dey. Thank you very much. 30 minutes, e dey there, e dey. 15 minutes, which is the last one. E dey there, e dey. Thank you very much. Now, how do we sell? How do we take advantage of this market? We're looking at the overall picture, the overall thing that the market is likely going to do. So I'm saying I can't see it clear, sir. I always say this. Change your YouTube quality to high. Change it to high. No, they use rubbish sub or rubbish streaming this thing. Okay? No, they use them. You know, see clearly. On my phone, on my system right there is clear. And when I upload the video, you see it to be clear. So please use good network for yourself. Okay? Testimony don't shout. So the purpose of market, the purpose of manipulation is to create liquidity. Yeah, no be lie. All right. But not all market manipulation is to create liquidity. Have that at the front of your mind and not at the back. Now, we are looking at the candlesticks in this space. One of the reasons why I don't like is that it's CAD. It has too many crazy candlesticks. Like, it's too choppy in a way. So how do I get to reduce the noise? I'm giving you guys crazy value right here that is it's supposed to be in the VIP class. Right. So we summarize the candlestick by going to higher time frame to see what we have. Okay. Higher time frame, we have more of rejection candlestick and do indecision candlesticks. Let's summarize it to know what market is likely going to do for a long time. Day one. Okay, thank you very much. See now, On the day one, where market tends to touch, the first candlestick here is a bearish, what you call it, inverted hammer. Then we have a doji indecision. Then we have a bearish engulfing candle that engulf the body of this doji right here. Then we have a shooting star. What else are you looking for? High tendency that the market is going to sell. That is for long term. All right. So if you are going to be taking your trade from day one, you know that um your your stop loss is going to be loud. Let me show you. This is what I'm talking about. Now, stop loss 79. 79 pips. Okay, stop loss. Okay, so it's not everybody that have that kind of large capital. So that's why we need to find some sniper entry, lower time frames. Okay. So I'll take this out to go to lower time frame. Where do we get our entries from? Right. So that we don't have a loud stop loss. Back to 4 hours. You see, this is top down analysis. We go up, we go down, we go up, we go down. That's the top down. For the fact you visited a time frame does not mean you cannot go back to that place. No, that's not top down analysis. So it says, is there a way I could turn the screen to white? Okay, let me check. Ah, oh, I don't forget why did they change this thing. No. So now, yeah. Yo. Oh, ah, I forget where they change this color. I go take up this matter like this. Okay. Okay, I think I've done it. Can you see now? If you cannot see now, you need to go and see the doctor. Can you see now? Fancy Chima say just bought a prop account. Which prop? Hope it's 10 trade prop. But I not say you should buy any prop account. Oh. This week, you will all make money. Hope you can see now. Okay, beautiful. I don't try for now. All right, so I've changed the chart. After the class, I'll change it back because this white usually enter my eyes. All right, so let's go. Well, on the 4 hours time frame, market is currently on a support level right here, like a strong one. Now, 1 hour. So we have market here. Market is most likely going to buy up. Don't be deceived though. It's most likely going to buy up to this place and still drop. Okay. Go to 30 minutes. Market is doing this right now. You want to get an entry. Easy peasy. You can get an entry from either here or this major place. Market is likely going to come up. Let me use a brush. Market is likely going to come up here and dump, or it comes up here and dump. Okay, but me, I'll be paying close attention. Where am I going to enter? Let's check this out. Where I'm going to enter is from the breakout. Breakout of this. As I'm going to enter. Okay, it gives me peace of mind. My mind rest well. Okay, my rest for this one. Okay, so we are looking out for how many places? We're looking out for 1, 2, and 3 for our entries, for sniper entry. So, but let's put this in for the major one. Now, always remember that we speculate the market does not mean that it always go our direction. That's why we put precautions, our SL. That's our we apply what proper risk management. Okay, because we are not the owners of the forex market, we tend to manage our trades effectively. Okay, so higher time frame. Um, okay. See how crazy it is. So that's why I just have only two pairs I'm analyzing. I'm analyzing because you don't need to analyze all the pair before you see anything. Only two pair, you follow them the right way. Okay. Back to one. Based on the way these guys will dance Makosa. So for me, hold on. Okay, for me, I'm going to increase my stop loss where I'm going to increase it of this 27.8 pips. So when the market break out from here, okay, so that again my last confirmation with candlestick confirmation. Okay, yeah, so that is it for NZD CAD. Okay, all right, always apply proper risk management to your trade, never forget that. Okay, I'll just pick one suggestion from you guys. Please suggest a market that has head and not the one that has tail. That has head. So just check once and we analyze. Okay, biggest mentor said same as my entry. Beautiful. Milking the market. Great. Okay. So is it a must you use laptop instead of phone? I just thought of that. You can use your phone now. I'm using a laptop because I'm streaming. I'm streaming. So and the stream only works on laptop. I'm streaming, that's why. But most of the time I analyze with my phone. Most of the time. I trade on my phone. Okay, but if you have a system, good. If you don't have a system, work towards getting a system. But a system, a criteria before trading? No, it's not a criteria before trading. No, as long as you have a phone, you can start with your phone. As time goes on, you sharp plan for system later on. But it's not like until I have a system before I start trading. No, it's not like that. Don't work like that. Okay. GBP USD. Euro JPY. I'm saying GBP USD more. So I'll take only GBP USD. Trying to spend only 1 hour here, 1 hour and a couple of minutes. I said 10:15. Oh, Jesus, see time. To analyze and teach market for you guys to comprehend this. Come on. It takes time. Oh. If I'm only one analyzing it, I'll not spend so much time on because I'm trying to teach you. I'm not teaching myself. You understand? Trying to teach you. That's why it's looking like it's taking time in analyzing a pair. If I'm doing it on myself, by myself, I'm not analyzing. I'm not teaching myself. I'll just do what I do and get out. It's okay. Um, we have GBP. That's the only I'm going to take from you guys. If it does not have bed, I'll take another suggestion. GBP US was part of the one we analyzed last week, right? So, okay, that entry point. I didn't even take the trade, but it actually went our direction. All right. So overall, the chart is a downtrend, right? So look for opportunities to sell naturally. Great. Just go straight to 1 hour since I've viewed the overall trend of the market. All right. This is the market currently open. All right. If you say you're going to buy this market right now, You're going to buy this market. Market, you have to expect market to break out of this trend line and this region. Where? Here. Okay. So that's what you're going to wait for if you're going to buy. So let's go and check the water time frame first. 30 minutes. Don't just trade any entry. You look out for the bigger picture and the good entries to make your trades go well. Except you're a scalper. A scalper will just want to buy quickly around this place. But you're on your own. Not everybody that has a very good scalping strategy. The best way to trade is intraday trading and swing trade. The intraday trading can turn to swing trade. So that's a cool one. You know that there's a direction the market is going to. There's this place, okay, market, no matter what market wants to do, you can't hit my stop loss. But you end up going my direction. Okay, so scalpers, come on. I'm not saying scalping doesn't work. If you have a working strategy, scalping, fine, no problem. No problem about that. All right. Okay. So like I said, for me, I look at our picture, look for good places to enter. So I've shown you guys good places to enter. And there could be a chance that could have markets come and still dump. But a greater sale will happen when you have a market breakout of here. Trust me, there's going to be a badder sell, okay, in this place, a badder sell. So you're looking out for 1, 2, and 3. Actually, 1, 2, 3 possibilities on GBP USD. Do you remember the overall trend is a what? A sell. So you're only looking for opportunities to buy, to sell, right? But if it takes out this level, like I said, you're taking a buy. You wait for candlestick formation. All right. Who they recommend USD MXN? Who they trade that one? Who they trade that one? Who suggesting NZD USD? For Igwe, you call it. I don't analyze that market now. NZD, NZD USD. I don't analyze them now. All right. So just one more. Euro USD. See Euro USD. See dribble. The dribble person. Dribble. Nice one. I hate Euro USD. Okay. You can see things clearer. Okay. Why I can see for a temporal one. I mean, I don't trust this Euro USD. But if you trade it, good for you. A temporal buy. This is a consolidation box right here. Consolidation box. If it breaks out like this, next level is in this place. That's the only thing I'm saying that UUS is likely going to do. But if it goes south, fine, no problem. So what I'm waiting for UUS, if you're going to take a trade, you wait for a breakout out of this consolidation box right here. Okay, so that's interesting and simple it is. All right. So I believe you guys have been able to get value. So I'm going to draw the curtain right here. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, click on the subscription button, turn on your notifications because there's going to be amazing content going to be dropped in this new month of June. follow up everything we're doing. Facebook Live, separate entity, we'll do that on Friday in the evening around 5, 6, or 7 thereabout. That's where we get to do the live. But I'll notify you guys before time. So subscribe to this social media platforms. Stay tuned for more benefits. All this thing leads to one thing: you making money for yourself, no matter what. Okay, boss, I want to purchase an instant funded account of 1K, but I don't know the amount of it. It's $39 now. Rate is 1,470 on 10 trade. Rate is 1,470. So press your calculator how much you need to fund. We are waiting for XAU. I'm not analyzing good, sir. Not analyzing good. Time is fast spent. Okay, so Mr. Das, I want to get certificate from you. I don't understand. You a student. If you're a graduated student already, your certificates are being sent gradually. So it's going to take like 1 week to dispense the certificate, or 2 weeks. So people are plenty. So we are collecting lots of certificates together. Lots of from late last year joined together. They are much. So we don't have time to put these things very well. So we just started putting them together. All right. So we're getting them one after the other. We say I've not analyzed NZD USD. It's only the NZD card. Okay, yeah, that's true. But time is fast spent. I'm not doing that right now. All right, guys. So keep doing what you guys do best. Keep engaging our posts on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Share our posts. Like that's the least you can do for FX Media. Because this class you're having right here is worth like $1,000. Trust me, I'm giving it out to you for free. All right, for free, back to back on Sundays. As long as I'm around, give it to you. Now I've added Facebook Live to it. Nobody's paying for that one as well. Cool. So come on, it's not difficult to promote FS Media. Kudos to those people that are promoting and sharing. I'm noticing you guys. Those of you that will go to Facebook, whenever I post, you share. I go and check who shares it. But I'm taking note of you guys. So if you are yet to share a post on your Facebook, start sharing them. Engage on our posts. It doesn't cost too much to engage. Taking note of some amazing people that have been sharing. Kudos to those that have been sharing. Want to join them? Fine and good. Join them. Engage our posts on social media. Use our broker 10 trade broker using FS Media promo code and promo code and our link to register. Go to www.fsmediatrade.com. Okay, go to fsmediatrade.com. Scroll down to 10 trade. Under 10 trade, you have join now. Click on join now for you to sign up if you have not signed up. Okay, and please, this is the month of June. I don't know how you're going to do it. If you have never traded a prop account or real account, try as much as possible to do this month, because series of money is going to be made this month. This is the half of the year. And based on my study, since my experience as a Forex trader, the middle of the year is usually a very fantastic opportunity to make so much money from trading. If I were you, going to do the needful, like so much money from trading, a lot is going to happen inside this June. All right, June, July, thereabout, sharp. But middle of the year is usually fantastic. I'm not saying the other months you can't make money, no, but I'm saying there is an exception for the middle of the year. Crazy money, you have more. For example, now if you've been making like $1,000 every month from trading in other months, but the middle of the year you could make 3K, 4K, 5K, 1.5. My point is you will make more. You understand? But go through the right paths, have a knowledge of the business you're going into, like 10 trade, sorry, like Forex trading. All right, you have to have a knowledge, a sound knowledge of that thing, so you don't waste money. You take calculated risks. Fundamental analysis. Thank you so much. Thank you, Abu. I didn't check the fundamentals. Jeez, thank you so much. Thank you. I almost forgot that shit. Didn't check. Thank you for that reminder. If you don't sleep, go. Then I don't, they can't remember the economical calendar. All right. So, like I always say, our interest is with our interest is with the high impact area. And what's going on? Why am I not seeing people again? All right, so please, can I be your mentee? All right, send me a message now on Instagram. Send me a message on Instagram. Okay. All right. So our interest is with the high impact news. So we're going to look through for this week under the high impact. Okay. So the one that concerns us. The best we've analyzed. Okay, USD has one impact news. This coming Friday is NFP. This coming Friday is NFP. That's one of the major news we have. NFP. All right. So on AUD, the GDP growth. That's on Wednesday. US USD, you have high. But the most important high is that Friday, which is the NFP. Where is it? On Friday. All right, so here we go. Non-farm payroll for the month of what? May. All right, non-farm payroll for the month of May. High impact news is our interest. Okay, so we'll see whether we're going to buy or we're going to trade NFP or not. But whenever you're trading NFP, you gotta use the money that you're ready to lose. Okay, all right, because it's usually manipulated to an extent. I didn't trade NFP. I trade CPI. Okay, I trade CPI. I trade FOMC when I have time, but basically CPI for Canadian pair and as well USD pair. I trade CPI on that. Okay. Okay, so based on our this in our analysis, our technical analysis should work well because the fundamentals looks great. It looks great. Just the major news that's coming up is on Friday, which is the NFP. All right. So before then, we should have backed some money. Okay. Please, sir, just send you a message on Instagram. I want to join the academy. I wish to be your mentee, sir. Please, sir. All right, no problem. Boss, please, what's the name of the app that you are using to check it? My Forex, my FX book. You can use that. Daily FX. You can use that. What else again? There's one other one, Sha. Okay. All right. Power is another. Power speech is another high impact news. Okay. Daddy, you haven't updated us on the synthetic class. Didn't you see my message? Go to the group. You see my message there. If you are late in joining the synthetic, you have opportunity between this night and tomorrow. So do fast and join in so we can kick off with that. I said it's just only once. I said once. This is the last I'm doing for synthetic. I'm not doing any other class. That's why I'm taking my time very well to ensure that I give the best for that class. But I have a pastor that wants to get people to the academy, Mox Empire. All right, send me a message so we can talk. So I need your encouragement after learning FX trading. Eh? Can I sell my fatherland to invest in FX and become billionaires in this country? Um, your fatherland is it your own? If it's your own, it depends on your. If that's your inheritance, I don't know how your finance is, okay. But wherever place you are deriving money for FX, don't invest all your money in FX. That's what I can tell you. I don't know how your finance is. All right. So if you have 1 million, don't carry 1 million inside Forex. You can do 500, 200, 300, 700, but don't do all of them. Okay. If you have 10 million, you can do 5 million, 6 million. I mean, your net worth entirely is like 10 million. My own point is that don't don't put your entire money in Forex. It's not that's not it. calculated risks. Even in any business, you don't put your entire money in any business. You take calculated risks. You need to have some, behind. All right. So that's what I can say to you. Okay. All right. So I'm not going to stop here. Right here. Okay. Thank you so much, guys, for being part of this live. Looking forward to having an amazing profit testimony from you guys. Send it to my DM this week, so we're going to repost, and it gives us joy to see people winning in Forex. Okay, this is especially the people that are under FX Media Forex Academy. Okay, yeah, it gives me joy. So let's go and annihilate the Forex market this new week. Kill it, not just kill it, make money out of it. Make a series of money out of it for yourself. The vision is to eradicate poverty. The vision is to become forex millionaire, forex billionaires. I'm working towards being a forex billionaire. All right. So that's it. Sir, do you teach advanced class or mentorship? Teach all categories of class in forex, any kind of category, any kind of category. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Have a lovely weekend. Before I go, always remember to pray. Pray and serve God in truth and in spirit. Never forget that every day of your life. Always start your day with prayers, okay? So you can set the pace for that day to be a remarkable one, so you can have more profit, more profitable trades. Okay, so that's what I can say to you for now. Don't give up on Forex. Keep pushing, keep getting better by doing the right thing. Follow the right method like FS Media, and you have the results that you desire to have, and not just like other people in which you have trained. You can have their own results, or even more than that as well. All right, guys, thank you so much. Have a lovely week. Bye.